If you're about to buy a Philips Airfryer, there are a few things you should know. Air fryers are super useful, and they come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. I'm Lola, and in this video, I'll tell you everything about the different models, useful accessories, and the smart cooking assistant with app. We'll also take a look at the size of the air fryers and the pre-programmed dishwasher cycle that make your cooking experience even easier. With Philips air fryers, it's all about rapid air technology. Which model suits you best really depends on how often and how extensively you cook. If you mainly use the air fryer for a quick snack, then a Philips air fryer with the basic rapid air technology is a great choice. But if you cook more often and love experimenting with different dishes, then a model with Rapid Air Plus is a better fit for you. This lets you mix things up more with your cooking style. Want to cook even healthier? Then go for a model with Rapid Air Plus and functions. Thanks to these functions, you'll better preserve the nutritional value of your ingredients. If you're a home chef cooking precisely and often, a Philips air fryer with Rapid Combi Air is perfect. With this, you can actually adjust the airflow. This way, you can whip up a slow-cooked dish or bake things extra crispy. Which accessory you choose depends on how you plan to use it. With the baking tin, you can make oven dishes, cake or quiche. And if you have a grill rack, you can create multiple layers. That means you can prepare different ingredients at the same time, saving you even more time. Without a baking accessory, you're limited to preparing just one ingredient at a time in a single drawer air fryer. There's also the food thermometer, which lets you instantly check whether your ingredients are cooked. And there are grill sets and baking sets. These come with even more accessories like muffin molds or skewers. Some Philips air fryers can even be connected to the HomeID app. Through the app, you get access to over 500 recipes, and you can keep a close eye on things. You can even check on your dish from the comfort of your couch. The models you can connect to HomeID are the air fryers with Rapid Combi Air and Rapid Air Plus technology. If you have a model with just Rapid Air, unfortunately, this smart app connection isn't available. But you'll still have access to the recipes. So do you want to cook with a little extra guidance and inspiration? Then choose a model that's compatible with HomeID. When picking a Philips air fryer, size is an important factor. It all depends on how many people you want to serve. If you're cooking for a small group, the L version is perfect. It has room to prepare about 4 servings of fries. That's perfect for a fun evening with a few friends or your family. For a medium-sized family, say 4 or 5 people, the XL version is a great fit. This one can handle 5 servings of fries in one go. If you often have large groups over or have a big family, then the XXL version is your go-to. With this, you can make fries for 6 servings or more without having to cook in multiple batches. So, no need to stress about running out of counter space, but you can still make everyone happy with something tasty. With the Philips air fryer, you no longer have to guess how to prepare your favorite dishes. Thanks to the pre-programmed dishwasher cycle, you can easily select the right program for whatever you want to prepare. And whether that's fries or you're craving some meat or something else, you just press a button and the air fryer takes care of the right cooking time and temperature for you. So you don't have to worry about burnt food or half-cooked dishes. The only thing left for you is to enjoy your meal. There you go. Now you know which Philips air fryer best suits your cooking preferences, whether you choose a basic model or one with all the bells and whistles. The most important thing is that you can enjoy your food stress-free. Do you have any questions or just want to show off your cooking skills? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Take care.